Web3.tv.
Welcome back, crypto degens and crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another interview at the Solana Breakpoint Abu Dhabi 2025. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have a special guest, a very, very close friend, Mary Pedler from Input. How are you doing, Mary?
Amazing, thank you. I'm really honored to be here again.
Thanks for being on the show. We're here to always learn about all the different blockchain firms here in this event. So tell us a bit about yourself. Tell us a bit about Input.
All right, so yeah, my name is Mary, and I'm running quite a successful, I think, Web3 marketing agency. So we are headquartered in Dubai. We're the team of 35 people, and we're helping our clients to get heard in the industry and to be headlined.
Very nice.
So we have been here for 5 years, and we have worked with top tier clients like Tether, SumSup, Ledger, Hacken, and BitGet, and many others.
Very nice. What sort of services do you provide?
So we do communication services, which means we don't do paid ads and all this marketing stuff, but we're more into PR events and influencer marketing things.
Okay, nice. Do you do articles?
Yeah, we work closely with media, like you guys, for example, and we're helping our clients to get the word spread out about them in media, in traditional and digital media as well, podcasts, events, and KOLs.
Fantastic. So I have a question about AI, because AI cannot be ignored in this day and age. AI is everywhere. AI is writing articles for us. AI avatars are creating content for us. Do you see your agency surviving AI and perhaps still keeping your people's jobs when AI becomes so advanced?
Yeah, for sure. I think AI is helping us a lot. It really helps us to cut costs, for example, on content team.
True.
And I've recently have spoken to many founders and CEOs of crypto media, and what we see the trend is that now you can really enhance the processes inside the team, and the AI can help you to establish the proper process of content production,
Yes.
in terms of not really just writing an article instead of you, but just to make the basic structure of the article,
Yes.
the basic news cycle that you want, content cycle that you want to produce, and in this way you really can optimize the processes when it comes to content, for example.
Yep.
As for PR, it can also help you to structure, for example, the news so that you can adjust your newsjacking and pitching efforts according to the news agenda. And talking about the content, images, visuals, of course, it's absolutely clear that we can now really use AI just to make the visuals much better and faster. Yeah.
True, I agree. So thank you so much for your time. For Input, for those watching, if they're interested to get in touch with Input, where can they find Input?
Just Google Input Global, and you're going to find our website, our beautiful team, and all media. We're all social media. We're quite fast and active, so just find us there.
Thank you so much for your time, Mary.
Thank you.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Mary's profile. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Thank you, everyone.
Web3.tv.